kids, welcome to Montessori 1 English class. This is your workbook, Wonderland of Alphabets. Open your book page number 84. Write and color. Write the A sound, color the injection. इंजेक्शन में आपने कलर करना है और ए लिखना है. A is down and dot on up. He is down and dot on up. इस तरह से बेटा आपने लिखना है ए इंजेक्शन. Write at E sound. Make a cup, go up, came down apple. Ball, down is down and wearing cup, ball. Cup, make a cup and up the touch the red line and came down the door. Egg, fish. ये रेड लाइन से शुरू होती है ब्लैक लाइन तक बेटा. Glass, make a cup, go up, came down and touch the red line. Her house, her hammer, her hat. Injection, down is down and up on dot. It's your homework beta. Complete book page number 84. Okay beta, Allah Hafiz, take care.